Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you choose one mystery signing player in FC Mobile, Lautaro Martinez or Olivier Giroud. Let's get started. But before that, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's open the mystery signings feature. This one, you can tap it. And welcome to the mystery signings. You can reveal player clues to pick mystery player rewards and accumulate progress in getting the milestone rewards. As you can see, we already revealed both player. The first player A is Lautaro Martinez from Inter Milan, play for Inter Milan. He got 4 traits here: roulette, skill move, flair, and outside foot shot. So if you need a typical move into channel or advanced striker, you need this player, Lautaro Martinez. And the second player B, is Olivier Giroud. He got 5 trait: outside foot shot, team player, power header, heel to flick. He's kind of a target man. If you need target man for your team, Olivier Giroud is the right man on the right place. So tomorrow you can choose one of these player. So please be wise. What type of striker that fit into your formation? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click the next button below. See you in the next video.